Organic eggplant recipe. Welcome to Princess Jen channel. Comment, like, subscribe. Here in my pot, I have stewed eggplant with okra, and that's my vegetable to put as a side dish. So first, you stew your onion, garlic with peppers, like your bell peppers. Then you, in oil of course, then you add water and you cut up the eggplant in some small pieces, and then you add it to the pot. You sprinkle some black pepper, your adobo seasoning with no MSG, and you flavor to your taste. Please don't forget to like, share, follow me, and leave a comment below. Yummy!